Here's the solutions to our test. You want to get the 2x by itself, so I'd add 7 to both sides, and that's how you end up with a negative 8. You need to get the x by itself, so you divide by 2. Divide by 2, and that's how you get the negative 4. Get all my x's on one side, so I'm going to add 7x. Add 7x to each side of the equal sign. That's how I get a 12x. Subtract 16 from both sides, so I get my 12x by itself. Divide by the 12, and that's how you get 1/3, which is 4 over 12. Combine like terms. Combine like terms, and you end up with the same thing on each side. So that means all numbers will work. Combine the like terms. Combine the like terms. Combine the like terms. Get all my x's on one side, so I'm going to add 6x to both sides. Add 6x. That's how you get the 3x. Subtract the 9, or add the 9, excuse me. It's already a subtract. Add 9, gets 0, so x equals 0. Looks like we're adding 3 tiles each figure, so I have to take 3 away to go this direction. And one figure has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so one has 7. So you just fill in your table. You see the pattern that it's adding 3 every time. That's why it's 3x. Plus 4 means you start off with 4. You want to find the 80th one? Plug in 80 into the equation for the x. Slope, the y-intercept. Don't forget to put the 0, 4. Slope and the y-intercept. So it starts at 0, 4, goes down 3 over 1, down 3 over 1, or you can go up 3 and then back 1, up 3 and back 1. Start off with 0, negative 2, rise 4, run 3, rise 4, run 3. Same type of thing here, except we're just going backwards. So you look for the y-intercept. That's at 0, 2, so you know that's a plus 2. Goes up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, so that's rise over run. It's going down 4 over 1, down 4 over 1. So it rises 4, runs 1, but it's negative since it's going downhill. And it intersects at 0, negative 1. So each space is going by 25, so that means this is 50 for every one. So 50 over 1, or 50, is my slope. That means it's 50 meals per day they're serving. Negative slope. It looks like we're going by 5s each time, so that's 5, 10, 15, 15 over 1. But it's negative since you're, let's see, 15 pounds melts per hour. My slope, you just subtract the y's. So I chose that one first. Then subtract 44. Then I have to choose this x first. Subtract the 6. So subtract the y's or subtract the 6's. Gives me my slope. And then, since that's a negative 24, I added 24 to get rid of it. So that's how I got the 68. You're just flipping that across this line. You could actually fold it over the line like that and look at it. Or you can just go, oh, just draw a line, two spaces perpendicular to this line of reflection. 2 spaces, 2 spaces. This one's now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot. And then this one is a rotation. So you could actually look at this figure, look at this point, rotate it 90 degrees, and say, oh, that's over 1, down 2. Come back, go over 1, down 2, put a dot, rotate it back, and go, oh, I'm over 1, down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down 6. Do the same thing, and transfer the dots. Or you can use the tracing paper, like most of you did. Perpendicular, opposite, reciprocal. And then, so that's 3 over 4, so now it's negative 4 over 3. And then you're plugging in negative 3. So negative times negative is positive 12, divided by 3 is positive 4. Subtract 4 from both sides. That's how I got my y-intercept. Slope on parallel lines are the same. So I wrote my slope, plugged in the x and the y, x and the y. This is 15. Subtract 15 from both sides, and you get negative 21. And that's how I got that guy. All right, good luck.